We have a lot of partisanship here in Congress. Everybody knows that. The media certainly plays it up. But I would submit to you that healthcare is the one area where we work together. Because after all, we all want the same thing. We want accessible, affordable, quality health care. Everyone wants that, whether you're Democrat or Republican. Accessible, affordable, quality health care. In order to have quality health care, we have to have quality workers.
The idea is, let's bring down the stigma for seeking mental health. Let's make sure it's not an obstacle to getting credentialed. It's not an obstacle to licensing. You don't have to, put that front and center on any application for employment. But let's also fund important programs at hospitals and with providers, but also at med schools and nursing schools and schools for allied health professionals that can show people that asking for help when you need it isn't a sign of weakness, it's a sign of strength. And
what I didn't expect and what I could never have imagined was that my son would grow up and use his success as a platform for nurses, doctors, technicians, social workers, therapists, and all medical professionals. He's not here today because he plays an actor on TV. He's here today because he has spent his life around people who care for others. He listens, and what he hears, he translates into powerful stories. Stories that help healthcare professionals feel seen, appreciated, and validated.
Following my mother is a tough act anywhere. Following her at a rally for healthcare professionals at the United States Capitol is a different kind of impossible. Wow. Mom, thank you. I love you. I want to be super clear about who is talking to you right now. I am not a doctor. I am not a nurse. I am not a member in any way of the healthcare workforce that I love so dearly. I am an actor. I'm the son of a nurse who spent 50 years caring for other people, and I've spent decades trying to do justice to what she and the rest of you actually do. That is the only credential I am claiming today. To every healthcare professional here and every healthcare professional watching, I know you do not need another speech about how important you are. You need backup. And this isn't about politics. Cancer is not partisan. A stroke is not partisan. A kid with a fever in the middle of the night is not partisan. The healthcare professional who shows up for that patient should not have to beg for basic support from a system that they hold together. But I do want you to hear this. The stories that you told today will not disappear into the air. They landed here in front of this Capitol. They landed in the offices behind us, and they landed with the people who have the power to do something about it. Keep telling the truth, not because it's easy, not because it's fair that you have to, but because every major change in healthcare has started with somebody brave enough to say, this is not working, it could be better. Healthcare is human. Not a symbol, not a slogan, not an endless resource. Human. And a healthcare system that forgets that fails us all. So let's build one together that remembers. Thank you.
Let's get a selfie.
Okay.
Everyone, let's get a selfie.
Then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.